Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change language on Paramount Plus. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you can simply open a web browser and tap open your Paramount Plus. So you can simply open a Paramount Plus app as well. And once you have done this, you can simply scroll down from your feed and select any of the series or movies that you want to watch. So you can simply select one of it and tap on watch now. Once you have done this, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now to change language of that particular series, tap on subtitles plus audio. Once you tap on it, you will be redirected to a different interface where you can get the options to change your language into some certain languages. So here, the German language is available and the audio is also available in American English and German. Once you have selected the next language, you can simply change language on Paramount Plus. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.